Dear Wise Kids Academy followers, in this video we will give you information about animals that struggle for a perfect life in winter, in cold waters, in snowy forests. Let's start. Caribou usually live in the northern regions of Canada, Alaska and Russia. With the arrival of the winter months, they migrate in huge herds to survive in the cold and harsh geography of the north. The main reason for this migration is the need for food. In the cold climate of the north, food resources are limited. Thanks to their thick fur, caribou are resistant to the cold and can travel long distances. Their large and curved horns are the biggest defense mechanism in this difficult and dangerous journey. During these long migrations, they stay close to each other in the herd, minimizing heat loss and providing security against each other. Narwhals stand out with their long horns and unique appearance. They usually live in the Arctic Ocean, in the north of Canada and on the coast of Greenland. In winter, they roam and hunt among the glaciers, feeding mainly on fish and squid. Winter survival in the cold waters of the Arctic has become an art for narwhal. A thick layer of fat under their skin insulates them against the cold and protects them against freezing water. In addition, narwhals are highly skilled swimmers underwater. They can move very easily between glaciers. Snow leopards are often found in high-altitude areas such as Central Asia, the Himalayas, and the high mountains of Russia. In order to survive and hunt during the winter months, they use their camouflage ability thanks to their white fur that is integrated with the snow. The snow leopard has a hard time finding food during the winter months and usually feeds on goats, wild sheep, and other mountain animals at high altitudes. Snow leopards, which usually travel alone, mate during the winter months and give birth to their cubs after a period of 90 to 100 days. Known as the silent hunters of cold winter nights, snowy owls live in the polar regions and tundra of North America, Asia, and Europe. Snowy owls often survive by hunting small mammals, birds, and even other owls. Their silent and precise flying skills allow them to catch their prey with agility. Their wide and strong wings allow them to travel long distances in snowy conditions. Usually living in tree hollows or rock cavities, snowy owls mate in winter and give birth to 10 to 12 young. Red deer, which live in a wide geography spread across the cold climates of the northern hemisphere, are perfectly adapted to cold climates thanks to their thick fur and large fins on their feet. In winter, they dig through the snow to find enough lichen, grassland, and plant roots in snow-covered areas and often try to live around lakes and rivers. Red deer often travel in large herds. They make a spectacular sight on the white blanket of snow. Polar bears, symbols of the cold polar regions and masters of the snow, usually live in the Arctic, in and around the North Pole. Polar bears are characterized by their thick white fur and black snouts. This color combination allows them to camouflage themselves very easily when hunting. Their fur, which provides a thick layer of fat and insulation, helps them maintain their body temperature in cold weather conditions. This allows them to travel long distances easily by swimming in frozen sea waters. They hunt sea creatures by wading or swimming in glaciers above the sea, and this is how they survive. As factors such as climate change, human interaction, and pollution increase day by day, living conditions are becoming more difficult. Seals are called the graceful inhabitants of cold waters and live in many seas around the world. Thanks to a thick layer of blubber and waterproof fur, they can live in a wide geography from the Arctic to the Antarctic. They are very agile swimmers and can travel long distances. Seals are adept hunters, feeding mainly on fish and other sea creatures. Their special fins and forked tails enhance their hunting skills as they chase their prey under the ice. The living conditions of seals, which share the same fate as polar bears, are becoming more and more difficult as factors such as climate change, human interaction, and pollution increase day by day. Thank you for watching our video until the end. Don't forget to like our video and follow us. Please comment on the topics you want to learn about and what you are curious about.